Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I am so sorry that I am doing this intro with my phone. I actually forgot my camera at home because I went to the gym today at 6:45.
Oh my God! Wow!
Check a bitch out, okay? You know what I'm saying? So, I just came from the gym and now I am at Starbucks. I'm about to get me some coffee, of course, because I'm tired. And then I'm heading to go get my lashes done. So this video is just going to be a glam with me, or like prep with me, or like, what is it called? Basically, I'm just going to show you guys everything that I do to get cute and get normal. I'm getting my nails done. I'm getting a wax, hopefully, because I think I'm about to start my cycle today, so I don't know. But and then I'm getting my brows done. I think I'm gonna go get my brows done, but I'm on my way to a lash field appointment. So yeah, I will see you guys there. I am not about to record the whole appointment because y'all know you got to keep your eyes closed. So yeah, I'm about to get some Starbucks and then go to my appointment, and then after that I'll see you guys and show you my lashes. Here are my lashes before. I'm so cute. And then I'll show you guys my lashes after, of course. So if you want to see everything that I do to get cute, it's the 23rd, by the way. So of course I'm getting cute because the holidays are coming around, and you know, everyone comes into town. It's always something to do. So I want to look cute around all my old friends, my college friends, my high school friends, all of that. So yeah, before. Ooh, baby. And then I'll show y'all the after soon. See y'all in a second. Okay, hey guys. So something is wrong with my camera. I need to go and get one of those eyeglass repair kits because when I flip my camera up, it's still upside down. So I need to hurry up and go do that because it's kind of annoying. So I'm hoping and praying that whatever I'm recording right now, you guys can see it. But I got my lashes done. I don't know if you guys can see, but they're very full. I like to get them very, very full. And then I love when they fall out a little bit. So in like a week, I'll be in love with them. But I just came from my wax.
I just wish they wouldn't have had me come all the way out there.
Yeah.
I feel like I spend most of my time getting ready to head out there every day.
They'll help make electric vehicles even more popular.
Ooh.
Call it a hush. Ford electric vehicle, built for America.
As you guys saw, the little footage that I did show, I'm telling you, if you've ever got a wax, you understand the pain, but you're gonna keep going back. You really gonna keep going back because you just feel free afterwards. But yeah, so I'm gonna go and get a COVID test because, as you guys know, well, I'm gonna go get, you know, one of those screens, because as you guys know, Christmas is coming up, and if you aren't vaccinated, the least you can go and do is get a screen, since you'll be around family and such, you know, just to make sure that you're okay and everyone is okay around you. But yeah, after this, I am going to go ahead and get my hair done, which I'm so excited about because I haven't gotten my hair done in so long. Lord, this is a new person that I'm trying out. The girl who actually cut my hair back in July, she was doing my hair and I really loved how she did my hair, but she moved to Houston, which I'm really sad about, but I'm happy for her because, you know, she's moving on to different ventures and she looks like she's been doing really well there. So congratulations to her, but let me know when you come back, sis, so I can schedule an appointment. But I'm trying out this new young lady that I've been knowing for quite some time. Her name is Brianna. So I am going there, and then I have my nail appointment, and then I can go home and take a nap because your girl is tired, okay? I drank some coffee from Starbucks earlier, as you guys saw, but I asked for a shot of espresso in there as well because going to the gym tires me out every time. It doesn't matter what time of the day it is. So yeah. I'm about to get some gas because I found some gas that was less than $3. And then I'm gonna go over and get a COVID test, and then yeah, that's it. Hey guys, so this is my hair. I took my braids out. I am just now getting to my appointment. It's 3:53. She told me to come like 15 minutes later. I got here 20 minutes later. So I had to cancel my nail appointment. So I'm not going to the girl that I usually go to. Probably going to end up going to, some corner nail spot, which I'm really sad about because I had this really cute nail design in mind, and I'm not sure if they'll be able to do it, but I'm about to go into my appointment, and then I will see you guys after. Okay, so this is my hair. It turned out so cute. It has like little highlights in the front from when I had my hair. Oh, hold on, it's raining. Okay, guys. So this is my hair, and it was literally just raining when I got out. How disrespectful was that? But this is my hair. It turned out so stinking cute. My hair grew so much from when I cut it back in July, and I'm kind of like loving the length, to be honest. But yeah, this is the color. This is the cut. My cut is a little. It's giving. I don't know. I think I gotta get used to the length. But I am literally loving my hair. I need to come back to her. This is my first time coming to her. Her name is Brianna. I'll probably have her stuff down below. Her information is stuff down below. I hope you guys can hear me over this heat that's blowing in this rain. It's so disrespectful out here. Like, so disrespectful. But yeah, this is my hair. I'm loving it. And so I'm going to go home and put some makeup on and get cute because, yeah, why not? So, yeah, I will see you guys later if I end up doing something. Y'all, so this is a whole nother day. And I'm literally, like, on the verge of tears right now. Like, so serious. This is my hair. I showed you guys it was curled yesterday. Of course, when I wrapped it, the curls fell. But that's not a problem. That's expected. That's usually how my hair works. But I told you guys yesterday that I had to cancel my hair appointment due to the time frame for my hair. I had to cancel my nail appointment due to the time frame for my hair. I don't know what I just said. But, and I told you guys that I would probably just go to like a neighborhood nail salon, and just, trust them with my livelihood. And I just need y'all to focus. I needed to focus on my hands. Like, what is that? Like, what? This nail right here, why is it shaped like that? Why is it going like that? This nail right here, I needed to focus right here. I needed to focus on my hands. Let's focus on my hands. This nail right here, it's supposed to be a matte coat, but look at that nail. Like, you didn't take any time. Like, you really didn't care for real. Look at this one. Like, it's not neat at all. And it's like, I'm trusting the process the whole time. I'm trusting the process the entire time. Like, all of them just look really rushed and horrible. But I promise you she took her time. I promise you she tried. But it's like, this is like first first week of nail school type of nails. And it's like, Christmas is tomorrow. And I'm probably just going to go get these soap off on the 26th. Because I'm really just on the verge of tears. And I can't. Hello?
Hey, cutie.
Hey.
Anywho, what else I say? Oh, you want this food? I'm throwing away trash.
What food?
That food you had earlier.
What food? Oh, no.
Okay. All right. I'm about to make this stuff. I'm thinking about it in a minute.
What y'all about to eat? Because I'm hungry.
I don't know. Terrence just ordered him some pizza.
Oh, wow. This lady just did my nails so bold. I'm really about to cry for real.
Let me see.
You gotta see it. You gotta see it in person because they look horrible.
Why you didn't tell her?
I was telling her, but it's like her skill set wasn't there. So I'm just like,
why you go to her to try to do your nails, something like that though?
You right. I don't know.
You just should have got something simple if you was going there. You could go to your black people, whoever did that, do the specialty stuff. I don't even know what you was expecting with them.
Yeah, I know.
But now you got to roll with it.
No, I'm for sure getting the paint either taken off or I'm just gonna get my nails soaked off on the 26th or something. I don't know, but this joint is horrible, and she should be ashamed of herself. The dude that was working next to her was gonna walk past me and was like, "Ooh, fancy." I said, "Oh, y'all trying to be funny in here? Y'all trying to be funny?" But I'll be there in a minute.
You should have known they didn't know what they was doing like that, though.
Yeah.
Go get something simple from them.
Yeah, I know. But I'll be there in a minute. I'm about to get me some chili.
From Wendy's?
Yeah.
Are you there? Are you talking to me? Are you calling to me? What in my arms?